In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Temu cart before checkout, ensuring that everything in your shopping cart is just as you want. It is an essential step before making any purchase. So, let's walk through the process together, ensuring clarity and precision at each step. First, whether you're using the Temu app on your phone or visiting the Temu website on a computer, you'll begin by opening up the platform. Once there, you'll need to log in to your Temu account. The login process is straightforward. Just enter your credentials and proceed to access all the features Temu has to offer, including viewing your shopping cart. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see a cart icon. Go ahead and click or tap on that. This will open your cart, showcasing a complete list of all the items you've carefully selected during your shopping spree. It's exciting to see everything you want in one place, isn't it? Now that your cart is open, it's time to review your items thoroughly. This step involves a keen eye to ensure you don't miss any details. Start by checking each product for the correct size, color, or variant you intended to purchase. Sometimes it's easy to accidentally select the wrong option, but this quick review can help prevent any surprises later. Next, verify the quantity of each item. Ensure it matches what you need. It's often beneficial to double check because you wouldn't want to end up with too many or too few of a particular item. While doing this, keep an eye on the pricing. Review the price for each item to confirm it's as expected. Watch out for any discounts or coupons applied. They should reflect correctly here. If you notice a discrepancy or an error, don't worry. Temu makes it easy to make adjustments. Look for the edit option next to your item and tap on it. This will allow you to modify the quantity or change your options if needed. Conversely, if you find something that you've decided not to buy, you can simply remove it from your cart. Just click on delete or remove depending on your device and it will be gone. By carefully checking your cart, you minimize errors and ensure a smooth checkout experience. This preparation step ensures that you only purchase what you need and as you intended, helping you stay within your budget and avoid the hassle of returns or exchanges later. Now, you're ready to proceed to checkout with confidence, having double-checked every detail. Happy shopping, and always remember to enjoy the process of finding just what you need.